Dear students, today we will learn equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are those fractions which can be simplified to the same fraction, that is, fraction that represents the same part of the whole. We can simplify a fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. For example, consider the fraction 8 by 24. Here the denominator is 24. 24 is divisible by the numerator. Yes. Therefore, 8 ones are 8 threes are 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the simplified form of 8 by 24. Next, I will take one more example. Now consider two fractions, 6 by 20 and 15 by 50. Now we have to simplify both the fractions. 6 by 20. 6 and 20 is divisible by 2. So 2 threes are 6, 2 tens are 20. 3 by 10. Next, 15 by 50. 15 and 50 is divisible by 5. So 5 threes are 15, 5 tens are 50. 3 by 10. Since both of these fractions can be simplified to 3 by 10, they are equivalent fractions. Another quick method to check whether two or more fractions are equivalent is to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and to multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. If both the products are the same, then the fractions are equivalent. Let's solve an example. Are 6 by 20 and 15 by 50 equivalent fractions? Six by 20 and 15 by 50. Here we have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. Here we have to multiply numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and we have to multiply denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. 6 into 50 is equal to 300 and 20 into 15 is equal to 300. Since the answer is 300 in both the cases, so 6 by 20 and 15 by 50 are equivalent fractions. Next, we will learn finding equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fractions of a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number other than 0 or 1. For example, find equivalent fractions of 2 by 13. We can't divide 2. So, we have to multiply by 3. Here we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 2 3s are 13 3s are 2 3s are 6, 13 3s are 39. Next we have to write same fraction and we have to multiply by next number. After 3 which number will come? 4. 2 into 4, 13 into 4. 2 4s are 8, 13 4s are 52. Equivalent fractions of 2 by 13 will be 2 into 2, 13 into 2 is equal to 4 by 26, 2 into 5, 13 into 5 is equal to 10 by 65. For more equivalent fractions of 2 by 13, we can further multiply the numerator and denominator by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and etc. Let's solve second one. Find the next two equivalent fractions of 16 and 20. Here we can divide 16 and 20 by 2. So, equivalent fractions of 16 by 20 will be, here we can divide numerator and denominator by 2. 16 divided by 2 by 20 divided by 2. 8 by 10. 16 and 20 is divisible by 4. So, 16 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4. 4 by 5. Therefore, 16 by 20, 8 by 10 and 4 by 5 are equivalent fractions. Let's solve exercise 11b. In that fourth one, write the next two equivalent fractions to each of the following numbers. How we can find out? To find equivalent fractions of a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number other than 0 or the first one, 2 by 3. Here we can't divide 2. So we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 2 into 2 by 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Next we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 2 3s are by 3 3s are. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9 are equivalent fractions. Let's all fill in the blanks. In that first one, 5 by 8 is equal to 25 by, here we have to find out how much we should write here. 5 5s are 25. So we know that we have to multiply numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number. If we multiply numerator by 5, then we have to multiply denominator also by 5. So 8 5s are 40. So here we have to write 40. Let's solve sixth one. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Here first one, 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. Here we have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and we have to multiply denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. If the products are the same, then the fractions are equivalent. 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36. Since the answer is 36 in both the cases, so 3 by 4 and 9 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Let's solve C1, 2 by 5 and 7 by 6. Here we have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and we have to multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Here both the answers are different. So 2 by 5 and 7 by 6 are not equivalent fractions. Solve exercise 11B in that fourth one, fifth one and sixth one in your